Well, hello there guys, it's me Omkar. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this Oni Kitsune mask, or you can call this Demon Kitsune mask. So I was going to make a Oni mask, but then I found out this picture on Pinterest. So I decided to make this mask because it looked pretty cool. So first of all, take some cardboard and cut some strips of that cardboard. After that, use some strips to frame around your face and make this kind of shape. After that, take two strips and stick it vertically and horizontally. Just like that. And then use more strips to cover all over the mask. And try to stick more strips as you can, because this is a base of a mask. If the base is strong, then your mask will be more stronger. After you're done, then cut some space for mouth and eyes. Just like that. After cutting mouth and eyes, I'm going to stick some pieces of cardboard and some paper to make it even stronger. I'm using clear tape, but use masking tape for this process because while adding paper mache, it will stick better. After that, take one strip and bend it like that and stick it on the mask. Just like that, and add another strip surrounding of the strip. As you can see, and follow the same process, but this time do it on a lower side of the mouth. And after that, add more paper and more pieces of cardboard to make it even stronger. After this process, our base mask is now ready. Now I am going to make ears and teeth. For making ears, I am using this piece of a cardboard and make ears out of it. After sticking ears on your mask, take one strip and stick it surrounding of the ear. Just like that. After making ear, we are going to for making the teeth, I am going to use normal paper strips. So firstly, take a strip of a paper and roll it like that and make a cone. Just like that, and bend it like that and stick it like that, and follow the same process to another side and lower side also. Now use the same method and make a little teeth and stick it like that. After adding teeth, our mask will look like that. Now we are going to make a paper mache paste. For making that, use glue and some water. Mix it and our paper mache paste is now ready. Take some newspapers, stick it like that. After adding paper mache, I am going to use some white cement to cover all over the mask, because why not? So I take a white cement on a little bowl and started applying on the mask. But use some gloves on this process, because sometimes white cement just stick on your hand and it will hardly come out. So use some gloves. I'm not using gloves because I'm stupid, so use gloves for this process. After adding white cement, let it dry for at least 2 days. After that, your mask will look like that. Now use sandpaper to smoothen the mask. After sanding, paint the mask. I am going to use the acrylic colors. After painting, our mask is now ready. You can use this mask for cosplay and stuff. Well, thank you for watching guys. If you like this mask, then like the video, subscribe to my channel, and sayonara I guess.